Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss any other amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and please make sure press the bell icon so you don't any other amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please watch this video to end and then don't miss any other amazing video designs and decorations. So guys, I am back a beautiful idea about the designs of birthday cake decorations in different styles, different color combinations and different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching barbecue birthday cake decoration ideas that suit both home and professional parties. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video. How to decorate your cake with a beautiful way. I provide you simple idea for your cake that is most essential, that is most creative. I hope you enjoy my video. The creativity are mentioned on my YouTube video. I hope you love the designs of creativity. Thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video. I hope this design and this creativity are fantastic. I hope this video is very authentic and creative for your beautiful video and beautiful ideas. If you are interested in these types of design, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Cake decoration ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trending. If you like more ideas, specific decorating tips, please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. If you like any designs and if you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. You can use each design for any celebrations. Consider these themed core matching the occasions. I hope you like this design with themed and color combinations. I am sure cake decoration ideas from this video. If you like any designs, and take a screenshot of it. Thank you so much everyone. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until take care of yourself and people around you. Allah Hafiz.